Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube. So I'm gonna vlog I'm gonna vlog my dining room ceiling fan tonight. It's back here. It's kinda back here. Over behind me, you see it? See it, folks? And so this is my dining area. Dining kitchen area. As you may see, you are probably familiar, but we are going to be vlogging the ceiling fan. So we're going to make a video of the dining room ceiling fan tonight. The dining room ceiling fan. So let's get to it. And some people say that that the light ceiling fans do better. Light off. And I don't know why my iPad or phone device decides to be stupid. Like my iPad decides to be stupid and kind of not want to not stay. There we go. Anyway, let's get to it. There is the light. So as you may see, it's kind of got a mixture of white and blue. It's kind of got a mixture of white and blue bulbs, as you may see. But as people see, is there it is up close with the light. Yep, mixture of white and blue. If you want to know where I got the blue bulbs, a while back, Becca, the staff from Ameriserve International, I got those blue bulbs. There's the water running on the staff here in Balance Autism. Anyway, though, yeah. Anyway, blue bulbs are nice. People say that video goes better. Light off. Start it off on low. Stand back. Anyway, this is in my new dining room. Here we go. Staff are in the background in the kitchen washing dishes. But anyway, stay focused on the ceiling fan here. Anyway, though, here is low speed. It's currently on summer mode. As you may see, it is a little rainy outside. We are currently trying to get springtime, but people in Russia are messing with the weather. You've seen on the news, it's been bad. The Ukraine, it's been horrible. Anyway, now since we get a little bit longer of low speed here, a little bit longer of low speed. Okay, you have seen low speed. Let's switch it to medium. Off, high, medium. Gotta be careful because there's someone behind me. Do not want to trip. Now they just left. But now here's medium. So, do I feel comfortable sharing childhood information I would like to share a little kind of naughty childhood information. Should I? I do know that I have shared it with a couple of my friends in Ameriserve International. Um, back when I was little, do I really have to share all this information? I don't know. So, back when I was little, I was at the old house. Anyway, actually, I will share that story when it comes to spin down. It'll make the spin down a lot more interesting. I'll tell you the story during the spin down time. So when it's spin down time, anyway, here it is medium. Let's move it to high. Low, off, high. I'll tell the story during the spin down. But here's high speed. I kind of feel comfortable telling the story to the public, but I kind of don't. Like, you know. I don't know about this. As you may hear, there's SpongeBob on Nickelodeon on cable playing. Here's high speed. We'll do high speed for a couple of minutes. And then we'll probably do high speed with the light on. Let's do light on real quick. So you get a good glimpse of the color. Look at that. Isn't that really cool, folks? It's really cool. You get the mixture of white and blue. See? You see that, folks? Isn't that cool? Okay. Isn't that cool, folks? Let's put the light back off. Because I can see it's messing with the video. And now we'll do the final spin down, which we are going to do a little something this time. So, the little something is, I'm going to tell you a little story which happened in my past childhood. So, when I was a little kid, I climbed up on a coffee table at my grandma's house. I had no clue what I was doing, but at my grandma's house, I climbed up on a coffee table, which it was the only fan in her house. It was the only ceiling fan in her house. And I climbed up on the coffee table. I think I was only 4 years old. But I climbed up on the coffee table, grabbed onto the fan. I grabbed onto the ceiling fan, pulled it out of the ceiling, and it was all all fucked up too. It was literally all messed up, and I believe the light still worked, but the motor did not spin anymore. The motor didn't spin, but the light still worked. But it was just done for. And basically, my grandma was like, "Morgan, get down! Morgan, Get down now. You give me your mom, Joy Caswell. Come here now. Joy Caswell, get down. Get here. Your son is on the coffee table hanging from the fan. Get here now. And basically, my mom kind of came and grabbed me and basically kind of was very serious. And basically, they had to get a new fan. And basically, the fan was done for. So, and basically, they got a new fan, and, so they had to get a new fan. So, yep. And I was in big trouble, but, I was in big trouble, and I can't exactly remember what my punishment was because I was so little, but I don't exactly remember, but all I know was I grabbed onto the ceiling fan and yanked it off the ceiling, and it was just dangling from the wires. But anyway though, that's basically the story. And I've also kind of destroyed a couple other fans in my life in my past childhood. And even though I stopped it nowadays, yep, I kind of stopped destroying fans in the later years of my life. Anyway though, if you liked the light bulbs and the ceiling fan, try and tell me Anyway, though, you like these? The one that was in on 2733 house in Ameriserve, that one was not me at all. That one was there when I moved in, and Alex just told me that she had the same 4 fans in her house. And which that was a true story because I actually ran to her house in an elopement and kind of discovered. So, yep. Anyway, there is a ceiling fan itself. And there it is. But yep. And anyway, I will turn the camera back to my face. As you can see, it's really dark outside. And I also need to upload that storm video tonight. But here I am, folks. And goodbye. Peace out.